Impero allows you to set up a group policy to deploy the Impero client. To create the policy, open up the Group Policy console. Right-click on your domain name and select to create a group policy on this domain. Enter a name for the group policy and click on OK to confirm. When the new group policy appears in the left-hand panel, right-click on it and select Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor. From here, navigate to Computer Configuration, expand Policies, expand Software Settings, and then click on Software Installation. Now right-click and select New and Package. You need to select the package or the MSI that you want to install. This must be kept in a shared location that is accessible by all devices. Highlight the shared network location, select the MSI, and click Open, and then OK to assign it. You can see that the Impero client has now been pulled in, and that the group policy has now been set up. You will need to reboot the devices to have the Impero client installed.